Our today's topic is the most important class of biological molecules, that is carbohydrates. These are the most abundant organic molecules in nature and are also known as sugars or saccharides. We can get an idea about its structural components from its name as well. Carbo for carbon, hydrate for hydro means water. From this, we get its molecular formula, that is N times C, H2O, where N is greater than equal to 3. That means the minimum number of carbons in carbohydrates are 3. So the simplest sugars are the 3 carbon compounds glyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone. Of all the classes of biological molecules, carbohydrates are the simplest in terms of their atomic composition and molecular structure. They have a wide range of functions, including serving as cell membrane components, acting as a storage form of energy in the body, serving as a component of RNA and of nucleotide, and as a component of many organisms, including the cell walls of bacteria, the exoskeleton of insects, and the cellulose of plant cell wall. After the brief understanding of functions of carbohydrates, let's learn about classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates can be classified on the basis of the type of carbonyl group they contain. That can be either aldehyde or ketone. Carbohydrates with an aldehyde as their carbonyl group are called aldose. They have carbonyl group at C1 that is free carbonyl group, so suffix -ose is used with their names. For example, glucose. Whereas those with a ketone as their carbonyl group are called ketose. In most ketoses, the carbonyl group occurs at the second carbon C2. Ketoses have an additional UL in their suffix, such as xylulose. There are exceptions, such as fructose, to this rule. Another important classification of carbohydrates is on the basis of the number of units involved in their formation. Carbohydrates can be classified into simplest sugars called monosaccharides. These are single-unit saccharides. Small polymers called oligosaccharides. These are composed of either 2 to 10 forming units, large polymers, or complex carbohydrates called polysaccharides. These are composed of number of units greater than 10.